guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very vintage Scribble Prints Co. kit, and you know what? I'm using up all my kits, so I'm literally using up all my kits. I have a binder right here that has all my kits in it, and I'm using them up because I purchased them, so you'll probably see a lot of vintage kits here. So yeah, I'm gonna lay down some washi and I'll be right back.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
18 years later, oh my goodness, that was a struggle. Struggle. I'm just not doing so hot this week. I don't know why. Maybe because this is a little bit more removed than usual for me. Please tell me this was not pre. Oh no, these were pre-trackers. Well, I'm gonna do this. Maybe not. What are these? No, okay, so it was. It's crazy to like see the evolution of planning styles. Does anyone else kind of go back and look at a kit, something that you haven't used in a really long time, example like this, and you go back and you're like, oh my God, we used to all plan that way. I almost feel like I could do like a no white space and totally be like throwback, but I'm not going to because there's just too much to do here. No, I want this week here. And this is going to be my videos. And I'm just going to do a checklist since there's no, you know, thingamabobber. Weekly ombre checklist thing. Whatever they're called, I don't know what they're called. Some of these vintage kits like totally get me. I love them. Alrighty, so went in the office and I'm going to do something a little different. Hang on, I gotta go look at my videos. Alright, so I did a nail video on the 7th and then the 11th. Since I try to do nail videos every 4 days or every 3 days, so it's roughly about 2 a week, but it doesn't always work out like that. Sometimes it's like, you know, but at least twice a week. That's kind of my goal. And then I have to do my main channel videos. Hang on. All right, so 8. Actually, I'll do a pattern here. 8, 10, 11, and 13. I could have done like solid and not solid. Anyway, yeah. Okie day. That's done. It's been a minute since I planned this way, so let's go ahead and do the boxes. That way I can put some of myself out of my misery because I feel overwhelmed without like a setting. Does that make sense? Does anyone else feel that way? Like feel like they have to have it a certain way, otherwise like you can't plan anymore. Like I feel like that's kind of how I got. I'm super old now. And we'll do this. So something super awesome, I'm obsessed. We got one of those Oculus Rifts. Has anyone ever used one of those? If you haven't, you really should. They're so cool. It's like a VR like headset, and I'm super lame. So I played video games, you know, quite a bit when I was younger. And then I decided to do businesses instead of play video games, literally, because like I didn't have time to do both. I still every once in a while will play video games. Like I have Call of Duty, like the new Call of Duty and stuff. But I went with my business over playing video games. And so we just got one and I'm like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. Like all I literally want to do is play with that stupid headset. Okay, tossing these. Gonna put this here and then that there. Okay, so this is what I'm working with left over. So let's dig into some of this that I can remember. I get packages on like the daily, but I got a bunch on Thursday. So I'm gonna stick these guys here. And I think I'm going to use one of the small. I can't find my X-Acto knife. That's what I was looking for earlier. That I paused the video for like some time, but you don't see any time passing because that's the benefit. But I literally have no idea where I put it. I hope I didn't accidentally like throw it away or like it fell in the trash can or something. I'll fix that. Just ignore that, okay? I'll fix it. I don't have time. I need to do this. Grocery shopping. Because, you know, got gas on this day. Again, I'm trying to remember, so you're gonna have to bear with me. It is payday. Since this is a back plan, no, that's next week. Okay, and then I'm gonna do, where's the other half box? I did a brunch with my BFF. And then editing. Oh man, so this is a week behind. So this is actually this week, and I was like, I need to plan this week before I can plan next week, which today is the 20th. And I know. No, yes, today is the 20th. So I need to like get some stuff together because I feel like I just let it go. I started writing things down, but then I misplaced that. So I'm like, okay, well, that's that. Again, I'm gonna cut these properly, but right now I don't know where my X-Acto knife is, so I'll deal with that later. Okay, what else? I'm trying to think off the top of my head without making this super boring. I may call it, because like I literally can't think of anything else that's like right here, and I don't have all my stickers next to me, unfortunately, because I'm an idiot and I did not plan accordingly. But I'll stick this guy here. I did go to my parents that day. Worked on orders. Good thing about really old stickers that are like 2 years old, they don't stick very well. So I literally can pick it off and it's like not even stuck. We'll do this here. Take a little piece of washi. You know, I'll match it. to everything else that's on here. Oh, I didn't realize everything on here is like that same pattern. Okay, I'm gonna call it because I can't think of anything else that would like make this interesting. I am gonna go in and add some more washi and probably some more foil stickers, but all right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. By tutorial, I mean, cut that out. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this one was not as interesting, but I promise you I will get to a more, like, not, like, I'm gonna film this week, which is like, that just happened, but this was like the previous week, so I'm trying to think, you know, you guys feel me. I know you guys get it. All right, I'm rudely interrupting my plan with me with my finished product. I did this last week as well with this one, which you guys know I love this one. I didn't add as much foil as I think I intended to on this one. I only added a couple, like probably something up here would look good. I mean, I could, anyway. But I loved how this came out, especially using a very vintage kit. I'm excited for next week's, which will be this guy when you guys see it. I don't know when this is gonna go up, probably sooner than later actually, to be honest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little insert. You guys seemed to like it last week, so that's kind of why I'm doing it. If you don't, you don't, I mean, you don't have to. It won't be in every single one. The fact that I'm so behind on playing with me's is that this is able to be filled out because it's no longer this week. It is this week. Yeah, okay. Anyway, yeah. I'm just writing things down because clearly I'm forgetting things, and then I'm like, oh, I'm back planning this week and we're here now and it's what it is. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.